In this video, I will walk you guys through how to create your all-over print head step by step. You don't have to have a complete design. Just by using one picture or pictures of any fruits, sports balls, or even a butterfly, you can make it happen. First, head over to PrintKK's website. Search for products that support all-over print. Simply type all-over print. I want to design head today, then head. Now we can see all the products under this category. I'm going with reflected bucket head, then click Start Design. The design tools are on the left side and top toolbar, including different head sections for AOP printing. On the right side, we have the 3D install view. I'll use one picture to create an AOP head. I'll import design through My Image Upload. Once it's done, I'll apply this design on the canvas. Through the canvas, we'll be able to see the size of the canvas, which is this large white square. Inside, we have the head top printing area. There is a round dash line. Your design should be placed within the dash line to avoid being cut off. Place the design in the center and click the first function on the toolbar. There are different methods of arrangement for your pattern. You can try each one to get a different result. By adjusting horizontal spacing and vertical spacing, you'll have different intervals between each image. I'll choose the basic setting, then we click the filter, my favorite, brownie, to give a little vintage feeling. Here we are. The top is done. By applying the same pattern for the rest, we finished the outer layer. Let's check in the 3D install view. The next step is to finish the inner side. It's the same steps. Apply the pattern and filter. The great point of the AOP for a head is that you can wear it inside out. I tend to create two different patterns or colors for my head. I'll choose Filter Vintage. Once you're done, check the 3D install view and make sure you cover all surfaces. Once I'm happy with my design, I'll click Save. Head over to My Design. I can check details of my AOP head. I can download a picture for my listing on another platform. Ain't that easy to make? Now head over to PrintKK to start your design.